Mail Time Map Update Monday with Kentucky Woodsman. I'm Big Crazy John with Big Crazy Outdoor Adventures, and we're inside today, not outside. And that's okay, because I have a woodsman to introduce to you today. If you missed my first video where I talked about the map, the stickers, and what this whole process is about, I'll have that video linked, but the short version of it is these stickers are an opportunity for YouTube channels to collaborate. I send them a sticker, they send me a sticker. I talk about their channel, they talk about my channel to our respective audiences. It's a great way to collaborate for YouTube channels, and I enjoy it. So the next sticker I received was from Kentucky Woodsman, and you can see here the sticker has Kentucky Woodsman across the top, his channel name. Has 4 quadrants, so the top one being a fishing pole and a rifle crossed. The right one is a graphic of a scuba diver, and the bottom section is a graphic of a hiker, and then there's a mountain on the left hand side, and in the middle is a graphic that represents a German Shepherd, which is their German Shepherd, and their German Shepherd's name is Judith. He also sent me a business card. So his sticker is going to reside there in the southeast portion of Kentucky, the Appalachian Mountains. And he sent me a note, and this is kind of a sign of how much of a backlog there is. So if you send me a sticker, it might be a while before I get to it in the queue. And basically the stickers are first come, first serve. So he sent me his sticker, and I already had a pretty good sized queue set up, at which you've seen the number of stickers I've shared. So the note says, "Hey John, thank you for the support. I hope you and yours have a very Merry Christmas." So he sent me this, this sticker and business card back at Christmas time. So sorry it took me a while to get to it, but like I said, there's been a queue built up. And if you send me a sticker, I'll let you know right now that there's I think 3 channels that are in the queue now. So it'll probably be 3 weeks before, if your sticker's in the mailbox right now, I won't be able to get to that for 4 weeks probably. So I do enjoy doing this process. It's a good way to watch other channels, and get to learn. It's also a learning process for me, and I'll get to that in a little bit, but let me share his business card. So this business card, you can see it has the same graphic from the sticker. It has the what I originally thought was a wolf, but it's a good graphic to represent the German Shepherd as well. And so then it's got his Kentucky Woodsman. It's got his YouTube channel there, and it's got outdoor adventures on land and at sea. Life's an adventure, live it. And it's got his Facebook, and it had some personal information I covered up there. So there's that. There's the business card. There's the sticker. So a little bit about his YouTube channel. I've enjoyed watching his bushcraft videos, and he had a fall meetup I watched a few months ago, because I've been watching his channel for a bit, and even before I started the sticker process, and he's been watching mine, and I appreciate his support and watching mine and leaving comments, and we've been supporting each other along the way here. So I have enjoyed his bushcraft videos and the fall meetup, and so he has a spring meetup he's planning, and he's he just had a video a week ago about the spring meetup and where that's going to occur in Kentucky. So if you're in Kentucky or near Kentucky, talk to him and see if it's something that would make sense for you. And I know there's a number of other YouTube channels that were at that the fall meetup. So I'm not going to be able to make the spring meetup because we're planning a trip out to Colorado around that time. So he had a looking back at the adventures of 2017 video, and that video had kayaking, hiking, fishing, scuba diving, and boating, and some really awesome drone shots. I think he had some, the scenery certainly helps with getting a good drone shot. But he had some great ones, I thought. So check out that video. I'll have the link in the description. And then, looking through his videos, I kind of went. He's had a YouTube channel for a while, and I went back to some of the older videos. And I noticed one of his, I think it was a bushcraft playlist. I noticed one of the fire making videos, and I'm always a sucker for a fire video. So I went back to that and watched that video, and he had a lot of good comments, a lot of good thoughts around fire and how it pertains to survival and the importance of it. Not only from like boiling water, but also from a mental state. So go watch that video. Check that out. I like that video. One thing I'm noticing with popular videos are there seems to be kind of a theme that they're either related to food or a popular location or DIY, do-it-yourself, like build videos. Those seem to do really well. I mentioned last time with Papa Texas in his video and that breakfast he made on the Discata. But this video that Kentucky Woodsman has is it's homemade venison summer sausage, which has received 34,551 views, and it's his most popular video. And so I noticed some of the other kind of popular videos that he had when I was looking at Social Blade, and a lot of them are the off-grid cabin build videos. He had a playlist of probably about 10 videos with off-grid cabin build that he's building out on his property, and I started watching those, and those are pretty good. And those, they range from the oldest having thousands of views to some of the newer ones to like 1.5k views. So it's interesting. I bring that up because I know a lot of folks that watch my channel are YouTubers, and I'm kind of coming to that realization that it's really food, product, popular location, or DIY videos that seem to be the most of the YouTube channels. Those are the big videos. So even with my channel, my most popular video is a popular location. My second most popular video is a product. It was the Bayite ferro rod. I gave a little video on, and that's probably my second most popular video. So little interesting tidbits there. I've noticed some of his playlists are off-grid cabin build, so that's one playlist. He has a playlist for hiking and camping. He has a playlist for scuba diving, which I appreciate those videos because I wouldn't seek those videos out, but it has been interesting to watch them because I wouldn't go scuba diving, and I would go snorkeling, but not scuba diving. And so it's fun to watch those. It's interesting that he has that is kind of a completely different thing, and I think that he touches on that on his About section, which we'll get to. So he has a playlist of Warrior Dash, kayaking, bushcraft, and survival as a playlist. He has a number of playlists around the 200, 400, and 1,000 subscriber giveaways he had. He's got a hunting and fishing playlist, homesteading. He's got one on ATVs and dual sport motorcycling. Like I mentioned, one of my favorite playlists is that off-grid cabin build, which I've started watching those. I'm going to watch all those. So his About section. So this is what he has. I am not a bushcrafter, nor am I a survivalist. I'm not a mountain man or a modern primitive camper. What I am is a woodsman. Someone that incorporates all the skills, tools, and learning from outdoor activity, hunting, fishing, camping, modern primitive survival, and bushcraft, and incorporate all these rudimentary skills into one unspecialized genre, the woodsman. Why limit yourself to one specialized set of skills when you can open your world to all of them? There is no end to learning. I am no expert and will never claim to be. There is so much more I can learn, and no matter how high that mountain you climb, no one will ever reach the top. It is an endless endeavor, and we should be humble and happy for the chance to experience and learn as we grow and share what we learn to help make the journey worth the trip. So I think that is a great about section. And I love that he's kind of like, he's not committing to one area. And I'm kind of like that myself, as I'm not a bushcrafter. I would like to learn all about it. I want to do more of those type of videos, but I would never claim to be one. I'm no expert, so I like what he's saying there. I can really relate to that. So moving on to the Social Blade stats. He had 187 uploads. That's a lot of uploads. That's quite an accomplishment. I'm hoping just to get to 100, but he's almost doubled it. So 2,517 subscribers. That's an awesome job. And 165,656 views. And he created his YouTube channel on February 10th, 2008. So a lot of good work there. So that's his sticker. That's a little bit about his channel. That's his business card and his note. And I think, Kentucky Woodsman, he's a good guy. And I have appreciated watching his videos and will continue to do so. And so please go check out his channel. And if you want to send me a sticker, I'll have the address below, but it's P.O. Box 510031, St. Louis, Missouri 63151, and you can send that to Big Crazy John. So remember to get outside and have some fun. Thanks for watching.